So our first question is, what is a mainframe computer? So mainframe computer is a high performance large scale computer system that is typically used by a large organization for a critical computing task such as processing vast amount of data, running mission critical application and managing transaction. Apart from that, mainframe provide large scale processing and highly reliable. If we talk about highly reliable, that means it has a maximum reliable and availability. They often include the redundant component and hot swapped hardware, and it has a mechanism to check the error. Also, mainframe provides the zero downtime. If we talk about the scalability, so it means it has a scaled vertically by adding more process power, more memory and storage capacity. Also, mainframe provide the security feature and it is cost effective. So our second question is, what is a COBOL and why it is commonly used in the mainframes? So COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language, and COBOL is a programming language commonly used in the mainframe. It is known as a readability and it's often used for the business application. COBOL is well suited for the batch processing. This diagram is a COBOL code. So it's commonly used in the mainframe workload where tasks are processed in a bulk without direct intervention. If we talk about the industry, so it's used in the finance, bank and where the mainframe are prevalent. It's also used in the system mainframe and enhance the mainframe applications. So our next question is the difference between a mainframe and a server. If we talk about mainframe, so mainframe are designed for processing a large value. It has a high performance, reliable and scalability. It also has the power of handling thousands of simultaneous users. Mainframe are typically large powerful mechanism and it has a massive power, memory and high speed. But if we talk about the server, so server are a general purpose computer used to host application, server and data. This is a diagram. This is a main server and this is the client server which are distributed. So server comes in a various size from a small to large blade server. Server are a less powerful than the mainframe. So our next question is, what is KICS? So KICS is a transaction processing system used on the mainframe. It's allow user to interact with the application program in a real time and facilitating online transaction processing such as bank transaction, airlines and reservation and all. KICS is the primary used for the processing transaction in the real time. Let's take one example. It provides the record processing finance transaction. KICS handle both online or batch processing tasks. It is the highly secure method. Now we are going to discuss about what is a JCL in a mainframe environment. So JCL is the job control language. It is used to define and manage the batch job on mainframe. It specifies how to run program, allocate resources and control the job execution. JCL is used to define the parameters and sequence of steps of the batch job. It specifies what program to run in what order and with what data. Let's take one example. This is the JCL example. So here my job my job is used with the one step. It specifies the program to execute. This program name is my program. This is the input dd statement and this is the output dd statement. So our next question is VSAM. So VSAM is the virtual storage access method. VSAM is a data access method used on the mainframe for organize and accessing the data in hierarchical or indexed format. It is often used for managing large data set and is integral to many mainframe applications. VSAM allows data to organize in a various way like KSDS. KSDS stands for Key Sequential Data. Second one is RRDS. RRDS is Relative Record Data Set. Third one is ESDS, Entry Sequence Data Set. And last one is the LDS. LDS stands for Linear Data Set.